Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my quarantine glow up routine. This video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. All the products used in the video are available on Foxy. So if you are interested, then let's get started with the video. As you can see the before picture of my skin, and it doesn't really look that bad just because I have been using this product for a while now and it has really helped me to clean out my skin. Starting off with the Mamaearth Uptan face wash. So if you guys don't know, all the products of Mamaearth are paraben and SLS free and all of them are dermatologically tested, so they are really safe for the skin and you can 100% use these products. So this particular face wash is a tan removal face wash and I really love this face wash just because it does what it claims. And I'm taking a little bit of face wash and I'm rubbing it on the skin, and next I will be using a brush to gently massage the face wash on the skin so that it removes all the dead skin cells from the skin, and then I will be washing it off. Here I'm removing it off with a wet cloth, but you can easily wash your face with cold water. Next I will be using the Mamaearth Neem face mask. So this particular face mask is beautiful for acne prone skin as because it has neem and tea tree oil in it, which is very good for acne. And I am using this face mask right now just because I was facing through some hormonal acne, and as you can see it has helped me with that. So you can use this face mask once in a week. I wouldn't recommend you to use it more than once just because this is a acne prone face mask and it can make your skin a little bit dry. So be on the safer side and use it once and you will be good to go. I am using a flat brush to apply the mask, but you can easily use your hand if you don't have it. That is not necessary at all. So you need to keep this mask for 5 to 10 minutes and let it dry, and then you can easily wash it off with some cold water. Okay, so can you see how gorgeous my skin looks after applying this face mask? That is why I love to use this face mask once in a while. Moving on to toner, I will be using the Face Shop Dry Ceramide Toner. So you guys may know how much I love this product. This particular product has changed the way my skin looks. My skin now looks so much more youthful and radiant, and I absolutely love this product. Just take a little bit of the product on the palm and then just dab it on the skin, and don't use a cotton pad or don't rub it on the skin, as this way it will penetrate into the skin better. Next, I will be using the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion. So emulsion has a really different formula than a normal moisturizer. Moisturizer tend to have larger molecules and emulsion has smaller molecules. It penetrates into the skin even better and it gets deep into the skin, so it will work in a deeper level, and you can see how much my skin glows after using this particular product. So you can definitely use it even in summer, as this is much lightweight than a regular moisturizer. For the moisturizer, I will be using the Mamaearth Oil Free Moisturizer. So this particular product has apple cider vinegar in it. So apple cider vinegar is really good for dark spots reduction, and I have a little bit of dark spots on the skin and I had much more, but this product has helped me to reduce the dark spots. So I have been using this particular product religiously in my skincare and I have seen a lot of difference after using it. Moving on to the very last yet optional step, so you can easily skip this one, but I love using it. So here I am using the Face Shop water tint, and this particular product is so beautiful on the skin and it gives such a youthful looking skin. So if you don't like applying makeup, then you can easily put it on your cheeks and lips and step out of the door and you will look gorgeous instantly. And that completes my quarantine glow up routine. I love skincare in general and it is kind of a therapeutic session for me. As you can see how much my skin glows after using these products, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.